Hey guys, Smith Outdoors here. Up here at the hunting lease. Brought my buddies with me today. I've got an extra one. And today we're gonna try out this Instafire fire starter stuff. See how this works.
It's cool.
You guys ready to go get some firewood?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
I got firewood.
All right, that's good. Throw it down right there. Make a big pile right there where Liam did.
Oh.
Put it in the pile. There you go. Let's pile them up right now and then we'll make the fire here in a minute.
Oh yeah. Yeah. We don't need our trouble. I'll hunt you for life. Liam. Oh. This.
Nah, just these little ones. You want to help me break some up?
Sure.
Come on. Hey, come on here. Come over here. Where you
This.
So you can get out right here. Right here. Right next to it. Just break them little small ones. In this little pile.
Ow.
Pop it. Did I hit you?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, Lawson and Landon. Lawson. Fires. Wood on. It looks like bird seed. Don't it? Uh-huh. I look like popcorn. Popcorn. Oh, bird seeds are wind. Yeah, there we go. Put one stick, Landon.
Here, get your handful. Look. Watch.
I got it. Look. In there, so me too. Oh, this sticks will be good. We should have brought marshmallows and, you know. Yeah, Daddy, we have big marshmallows and chocolate. Oh yeah, this burning thing good anymore. Actually, we don't have a phone and also. cooking sausage. We slept early. We slept early. And now we got enough sleep. And not done. Not done when you do that. It kind of moves it when you do that. Just close, okay? It's kind of warm out here. Right now, I see a little bit of grease. Man over here watching the fire that I don't see. And Daddy is cooking. And Mommy has been so long. Look right now. Hold up. Look at that. Look at that. Look.
You ready for your first hunting trip? I'll take that as a yes.
Yes.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go,
Liam, you ready for round 2? We didn't shoot nothing last weekend. We're gonna do it this weekend? Now?
Yeah.
All right, guys, here we go. We're about to walk to the stand. We're gonna shoot something today. I don't care what it is. As long as it's legal, of course. You think somebody used to live there? I don't know if they live there or not. Come on. Liam, come over here. Come on. Come on. Lawson, you go first. Let Lawson go first. Okay, we just got into the stand again. This is round 2. Landon went with my dad today, so it's just me and Liam. And then Lawson's with us today. And, alright, so hopefully we see something. I don't know. We'll stay here till it gets dark and a little after and see where we go from there. Okay, so we made it back to the stand. We was in there for about 20 minutes. And somebody had an accident, so here we are back in the truck getting ready to go get cleaned up, and that's gonna be it for today. So we made a fire, cooked some sausage, had a good time, but got cut a little short. No big, maybe next time. All right, did you guys have a good day? Yeah, made a fire, ate some sausage.
That was really good, but
yeah,
we ate some pudding.
And some pudding.
Poppy came over.
All right, well, let's go back to the camp, get cleaned up.